Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We made this video based on a subscriber's request. He wanted to establish a backtest. A buy signal is generated when the current closing price is greater than the closing price from 30 days prior, and the 20-day moving average is above the 30-day moving average. The position is then sold upon reaching a certain profit target or risk threshold. This is an effective strategy, and we will show you the detailed steps of the backtest. You can use the same method to create a similar backtest. Now, let's take a look at the step-by-step demonstration. To get started, select SPX as your symbol and keep the other options as default, or you can adjust the other parameters based on your strategy. Under Entry Criteria, change Single Condition in the upper right corner to SameBar Multi-Condition. Then, set the score to 2. This means that a buy signal will only be triggered when both Condition 1 and Condition 2 are met. Go to Condition 1 to enter the first entry condition. Click on the Type drop-down menu and choose symbol OHLCV. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, select the symbol Close, and then choose 30-day period rate of change 0. Click the Condition 2 tab, select the technical indicator and select Moving Average, and then choose 20-day moving average greater than 30-day moving average. Under the Exit criteria, set the Take Profit and Stop Loss to 25% and 10%. This allows you to secure your gains or cut your losses in a timely manner. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. We hope you enjoyed learning how to create a backtest of price momentum and moving average system. This is a powerful tool that can help you gain a market edge. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions or feedback, please email us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.